The intake air sensor is located in the air intake tube on the left side of the engine just above the intake manifold, as indicated by the red arrow. Release the small clips on the end of the connection, red arrow, and pull the plug from the sensor. You will want to do this before you order your new sensor, as Mercedes made two different types of sensors over the run of the W124. This sensor is a dual pin, yellow arrow, but they also made a single pin connection. Double check before you order. Squeeze in the tabs, red arrow, on the sensor and pull it straight back out of the intake tube. With the sensor out, you can see the wires and the resistor, red arrow. These wires will get coated with oil over the course of their lives. Some people have reported success with cleaning them with MAF sensor cleaner, but since the cleaner is more expensive than a new sensor, I recommend you just replace the sensor to start with. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.